Most people don't realize when they lose their glow. It doesn't disappear overnight. It fades quietly. You start waking up tired even after sleeping. Your mind feels slow. Your reactions feel dull. Your confidence feels unstable. Your presence weakens without you understanding why. Nothing dramatic happened, yet something feels off. That's because glow is not about looks alone. Glow is alignment. When your habits, mindset, body, and energy work together, people feel you before you speak. Your silence carries weight. Your movements feel intentional. If 2025 felt heavy, confusing, unstable, that's not a failure. It's feedback. 2026 is your opportunity to reset everything properly, not through motivation, not through trends, not through shortcuts, but through fundamentals that actually work. 1. Remove low-energy inputs before adding anything new. Most glow-ups fail because people try to add discipline on top of chaos. They start gym routines, skincare, productivity system, while still consuming mental junk every day. Your mind is shaped by what you consume repeatedly. Music, content, conversations, screens. Low-energy inputs drain your nervous system slowly. You don't notice it immediately, but your posture weakens. Your motivation drops. Your face loses sharpness. Your eyes lose clarity. Examples of low-energy inputs include endless scrolling, sexual overstimulation, gossip, negative news loops, emotionally draining people. None of these leave you stronger after consuming them. A simple rule works here. If something makes you feel weaker afterward, it doesn't deserve access to your mind. Start removing quietly. Unfollow, mute, delete apps if needed. No announcements, no explanation. Silence feels uncomfortable at first, but clarity lives there. When stimulation drops, awareness rises. And awareness is the first stage of glow. 2. Fix sleep like it's a biological weapon. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is repair. Your face, your hormones, your confidence, your emotional control, all of it is regulated during deep sleep. When sleep is broken, glow breaks with it. Late nights cause dull skin, puffy eyes, low testosterone, poor impulse control, unstable moods. No product, no supplement, no workout can override that. A real reset starts with consistency, not perfection. Sleep and wake at the same time daily. Keep your room dark. Keep it cool. Remove screens at least 1 hour before bed. Morning sunlight is critical. Exposing your eyes to natural light early resets your internal clock and improves sleep quality automatically. When sleep improves, everything else becomes easier. Discipline strengthens. Focus sharpens. Your face changes subtly, but noticeably. 3. Rebuild your body from the ground up. Your body is a physical expression of your internal state. A weak body leaks insecurity. A trained body signals control. This doesn't require extreme routines. It requires structure. Strength training 3 to 5 days a week is enough. Focus on compound movement, movements that engage large muscle groups. Add daily walking to improve circulation and mental clarity. Certain areas have disproportionate impact on presence. Neck, traps, core, forearms. Training these areas improves posture, improves dominant signal, improves how clothes sit on your body. Nutrition doesn't need complexity. Simple, repeatable foods win. Protein, fruits, vegetables, water. When you train consistently, confidence stops being something you chase. It becomes something you carry. 4. Cleanliness is the base of all glow. Glow does not start with products. It starts with cleanliness. A clean body, clean clothes, clean bed, clean space. These raise your baseline attractiveness immediately. Mess signals internal disorder. Order signals control. Skincare should be simple. Cleanse, moisturize, protect from sun. Overdoing products creates irritation. Consistency creates results. Small hygiene details matter more than people realize. Trim nails, fresh breath, clean ears, regularly change pillowcases. These details don't scream for attention, but they remove friction, and attraction increases when friction disappears. 5. Dress with intention, not for attention. Most men dress to blend in. Oversized clothes, random colors, neglected shoes, because it feels safe, but safety kills presence. Clothing should frame your body, not hide it. Proper fit upgrades perception instantly. Neutral colors signal maturity and control. Shoes matter more than logos. Clean footwear communicates attention to detail, and people subconsciously associate attention to detail with competence. When your appearance looks intentional, people assume your decisions are intentional too. That assumption works in your favor everywhere. 6. Reprogram your internal dialogue. Your mind listens even when you're joking. Negative self-talk weakens your nervous system over time. Glow is not built through fake positivity. It's built through stable self-respect. Replace harsh internal criticism with grounded language. Instead of attacking yourself, describe yourself as someone improving. Slow your speech. Slow your movement. Slowness communicates confidence to your brain and to others. When your internal world calms down, your external presence stabilizes automatically. 7. Build discipline through small, kept promises. Confidence does not come from hype. It comes from self-trust. Every broken promise weakens internal authority. Your nervous system remembers. Posture weakens. Eye contact fades. Start small. Win daily. Wake up on time. Drink water. Move your body. Finish what you start. Small promises kept consistently rebuild your self-image. And self-image controls behavior. A disciplined man feels calm because he knows he can rely on himself. That calm certainty is deeply attractive. Number 8. Control dopamine to regain focus. Overstimulation destroys ambition. When pleasure is too easy, effort feels painful. Cheap dopamine from scrolling, porn, junk food, constant entertainment. It trains the brain to avoid challenge. Reduce easy stimulation. Replace it with effort-based reward. Exercise, skill building, cold exposure, deep work. Start each day with one hard task before touching your phone. This conditions your mind to obey you, not impulses. The harder your mornings, the calmer your days. 9. Build a clear mission for 2026. A man without direction feels empty, no matter how good he looks. Glow fades when purpose is missing. Choose one primary mission. Fitness, money, skill, business, creative work. Commit fully. Ignore distractions. Let progress be slow. Break the goal into months, weeks. Daily action. Clarity removes anxiety. Focus creates stability. When your life has direction, your presence becomes grounded. People feel that immediately. 10. Let consistency make you unrecognizable. The final glow-up secret is boring, and that's why it works. Do the same right things daily. Sleep well. Train. Eat clean. Work quietly. Improve silently. Do not announce. Do not seek validation. Glow-ups are quiet until they're undeniable. 6 months of disciplined consistency can change how people treat you for life. Not because you demanded respect, but because you became someone who naturally commands it. If you made it this far, take it as a sign. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start doing the right things consistently. Let 2026 be the year you stop drifting and start moving with intention. Stay focused, stay disciplined,